What's happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you actually how to practice time. Let's get to it. So last week I showed you my 5 favorite click track exercises, but to be honest, it's kind of useless if you don't have a system to practice them. Now, I've always been told work on your time, work on your time, work on your time, it's really important, etc, etc. You buy any DVD or any magazine, it's always work on your time, work on your time. So I've made this little sheet and I'm going to explain it to you to show you how you can systematically improve your time over a long period without feeling like you just have to sit and play the metronome for hours and hours on end. So grab the PDF below, because that is the sheet, that's today's PDF, and we'll get started. So the sheet you can see is just a table from 50 to 98, and it's 2 beat per minute increments. 2 beat per minute increments, it's really hard to say. What I've done is I've numbered 3 columns. And if you take one of the click track exercises, so let's say the one where you're practicing with the click track on the and, beep, beep, beep. So if you decide that that's your click track exercise for the week, or that's the one you want to work on, here's the way I would suggest working on it. Firstly, in number 1 or column 1, we're going to play a quarter note groove. Now, that's going to be weird because the click track is just going to live all on its own. What that's going to do is that's going to force you to be more aware of where the click is, or where it should be in relation to where you are. If you start rushing or dragging, you're really going to start noticing that. So once you've chosen your click track exercise and you've got your groove that you're going to practice it with, here's how to use this table. Every day you're going to choose 5 tempos. That's 50, 52, 56, 54, 56, 58, called maths. And you're going to do each of them for 2 minutes each. Now, by working your way systematically up that table, in 4 days you're going to complete 1 column. Now that's pretty good going. By the end of that, you'll not only have covered a lot of tempo bands, so getting more comfortable with different tempos, but also you'll have made systematic progress in this particular exercise. So in column 2, once you've done those 4 days, the next thing you do is you sit down and you play an 8th note groove with simple fills. So 4 bars or 3 bars groove, 1 bar fill kind of vibes. You do the exact same thing. 5 tempos a day, 2 minutes each. Boom, 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 all the way up. In column 3, that's an open solo. Play whatever you can, any style, anything over the top of this click track. Now that's going to be 8 days in, or that's going to be actually on day 9 of your exploration of this particular click track exercise. So you're going to be pretty good at it. You're going to be pretty comfortable. By the end of that, those 12 days, because it's going to take you another 4 days to fill that column, I would hazard a guess that you're really, really, really good at that click track exercise. And so then what you do is you choose another one and you start the process again. Now what this does, the really cool thing, is you can see your progress. Just by filling in these sheets, you can see your progress moving up and up and up and up and up. And as such, you're going to get a great sense of, wow, that really does feel like I'm making progress and I'm becoming a better drummer. So these kind of things, that's what I come up with. So I'm going to be sharing more of them on this channel. If you dug it, give me a thumbs up, a like, it really helps, and hit subscribe. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I will speak to you next week.